In this video, I'm going to show you the useful tools available in placeIT. So we go to Learn, then Tools. The first one I'm going to show is Background Remover. So as it says, it removes background. We click Upload your image. So in my case, I'm going to go to the downloads on my computer, and I'm going to click this one here. As you can see, it's uploading and it's going to remove the background. As you can see, the background has been removed. You have two choices. If you're free, it's the low risk, but if you've paid the subscription, it's high resolution. I'm going to choose the high resolution, and this is done very well, so I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Download. So now we have the downloaded version. We can also move it or resize it. In my case, I'm just going to move it to the center. Let's save it. And I'm going to save it to Tools. Make a folder called Tools. So new folder, Tools, Tools, Example, then create folder, then save. So now that's saved, we're going to move on to the next tool. So we go to Learn, then Tools, and the next one is Blank Canvas. So we click Edit. So the blank canvas, I've already done a video on this. If you look at the recent videos, it will appear somewhere up here or somewhere on the page. But now I'm going to just move on to the next one. And before I do that, let me show you where you can find it. You can also find it in Designs. Then you go to Highlights, then Black Canvas. But first, let's go to Learn, Tools, and we're going to go to Image Resizer. So we can upload an image here. In this case, I'm going to choose the same one that I chose before. Actually, let me choose poster. So here's a poster I previously made in a previous tutorial. I can now either shrink it or resize it to larger. I'm going to enlarge it. I'm going to increase the size to enlarge it. I can also move it around, and we can also write in here what specific dimension, or we can use a preset, which is one that's already been made. In this example, I'm just going to leave it the way it is and press download. If we scroll up, it's now downloaded. You can click download again for it to download. As you can see, it's downloaded. Press X. Next, go to Learn, then Tools, and next we're going to do the profit calculator. If you plan to create and sell your products that you create on placeIT, you can do a profit analysis here. So for example, let's say you're selling a t-shirt for £37 and your desired profit is actually going to be 50% of what you actually made, what you're actually selling for. You could come down here, we can move it to show the amount. In this case, I'm just going to leave it and just click calculate. So my overall profit from the £37 will be £18.50. This is just an example of what you can do. You can find out more information by clicking here. I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay, let's go back. So next we go to Learn, and the next tool we do is Video Cropper. So in this example, this part, I'm going to show you a video that you can crop. So in this example, I'm going to show you a video you can crop. So you go to click this button here. So here we can upload a video. I'm going to click here, uploads, and I'm going to choose one of the videos from the downloads. I'm choose this one. Actually, choose this one. Choose this one and open. So you can also change the width, the timing. For example, I could clip out the orange parts by moving it in. Also change the preset, so this will be more horizontal maybe, or it will be more squared. I'm going to move it to more a vertical kind of look. You can also increase the video size or decrease it. In this case, I'm going to increase it, and now I'm going to click the download button. I'm going to click download again, and now you can see that the dimensions have changed. Now you see that the dimension has changed. Now I'm going to go up and move to the next one. Go to learn, then tools, and the last one is GIF converter. Now we can upload a video. We click here and we just choose a video. Now we can change the sizes. I'm going to leave it as it is. We can also change the custom, make it more specific. For example, we can turn it into a post or a story, and then we can just change the frames as well here. I'm going to leave it how it is, and now I'm going to click download. Now that is downloaded, we can click download again. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.